So in this video, I'm going to show you the power of using email marketing to grow your business. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use email marketing to grow your business. So if you're a complete beginner when it comes to email marketing, or you're having trouble getting leads, then this video is going to help you out. So let me just get right into it and just show you an example of a basic funnel that most businesses use that don't have an email marketing sequence set up. Okay, so this is just an example. So let's say you have an online store and an online business, and you're getting traffic from YouTube or TikTok or any other social media platform. Maybe it's Facebook or Instagram, or maybe you're even running paid advertisements, and you're directing people to your sales page, whatever product or service that you're selling. So people come to this page, they see your sales page, they add to cart, and they buy the product or your service, and then you make money. But the thing about that is a lot of people, they don't buy something the first time that they see it. And this is where a lot of people lose out on potential sales, when they don't have an email marketing sequence set up, because it takes people time to get familiar with your product or your service or even your brand. So just by sending them a one-time offer, or just sending them to a completely new product or service that they have no idea what it's about or if it's any good, most people aren't going to buy it the first time around, unless it's like a ridiculously irresistible offer. So this is why email marketing is important to grow your business and get more sales. So let me show you an example of how email marketing would help you increase your sales. So here's a better example. So let's say you're getting organic traffic, you're running Facebook ads, you're running ads in the newspaper, and you're sending people to an opt-in page. Basically, a page that lets them know, hey, I have this great offer for you. Just enter in your email to get access to it. So I'll give you an example of a personal opt-in page that I have, which is called the 7-Minute Email Guide to Affiliate Marketing, or the 7-Minute Guide to Affiliate Marketing. So it's basically a simple page that lets people know, hey, this is what I'm offering. If you want access to it, just click the button, and when they click the button, it's going to show up with the pop-up where they can enter in their first name and their email address. So once they do that, they're going to get access to this PDF. It's a downloadable PDF. It's not a physical product that I'm going to be shipping out to them. It's just something that's going to help them out if they want to get more knowledge or benefits, or if they want just like another tool to help them when it comes to affiliate marketing. So this is just an example, and I have this in the link of my videos. If you guys want to check out the 7-Minute Guide to Affiliate Marketing, it's going to be in the description of the video. But let me get back to this little example right here. So people come to this opt-in page, right? They enter in their email, and then once they do that, they're going to be redirected to a sales video, and that's going to be a short video just talking about your product in more detail, just letting them know what to expect when they click on the button to go over to the next page. And then they do that, they watch the sales video, and then they see your product or your service. If they like it and it makes sense and they want to buy it, they can buy it, and you make a purchase right there. So it's a pretty simple concept. It's a little bit more steps involved than the previous example. But let's say that somebody went to your opt-in page, they seen the sales video, they made it to the checkout page, but they didn't buy it because maybe they had to think about it or they weren't quite sure. If they make it to your opt-in page and they don't make a purchase, well, now you have their email. So what you can do is you can send them follow-up emails, just saying, hey, maybe you missed out on this opportunity or to buy this product. Here's a introduction, or here's a little bit more information about this product. Here's some examples of some benefits for buying this product if you take action now. Or maybe you can even send them like a small discount since they didn't buy it the first time. Hey, I think this product would really help you out. Maybe here's 10% off. And then you can just send them follow-up emails. Now, the crazy thing about this is that you don't have to sit there and type out each email out to them individually. Every person that signs in, who gives you their email, you're not going to be typing and just writing email after email to every person individually. This is why you need an email autoresponder service. So basically, it's a service that automates things for you, so you can just have your business running on autopilot. So here's a website or a service that I use, which is Getresponse. So basically, it's a service where you have it set up. You can create your email list, and you can set up automated emails. So they have different plans available. The $10.50 a month is the basic plan. The plus is a little bit more and professional. Obviously, that's going to be for people who are more experienced with email marketing. But if you're just getting started, I would recommend just starting out with the basic plan. But they also have a 30-day free trial. So no credit card required, a 30-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime. So you can just get familiar with the software, try it out. And when you start getting leads and turning those leads into sales, then you can consider getting one of the plans that's going to be helpful and beneficial to you to help you grow your business. So I'm going to show you an autoresponder sequence that I have set up for this free offer right here. So the 7-minute guide to affiliate marketing. When people enter in their email, they're going to be put on my list, and it's going to just send them automated emails. So I have this all set up right here. This is an example. The 7-minute guide free offer, that's what I named it. So it's basically emails that I set up for 12 days in a row. So you can set it up for how many days. You can set it up for 1 day, for 2 days. I can go on and on all the way 69 days, 83. I mean, it basically really depends on you. But usually, if you have an automated email sequence set up for, let's say, 40 days, and people aren't really clicking or opening up your emails, then there's a good chance that they're really not going to buy what you have to offer them. So you have to look at the stats when you send out emails like this. You have to see who's opening them and who's clicking on the links to buy your products. So you can use this method for any type of online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you're selling your own product, maybe you're selling coaching courses, or just maybe building your brand. Now, the one thing that I wanted to mention when it comes to email marketing is that there's a lot of people who are on your list who are not going to be responsive, meaning that when you send them an email, they're not going to open up your email. They're not going to read it. They're not going to click on the links that you have in your emails. And when you start to grow your list, you should start to clear out your email. So basically get rid of the people who are unresponsive, because the more that you have on your list, the more that you're going to be paying. So I believe for my plan, I can have about 5,000 people on my list. And if I were to have like 4,000 of them who are unresponsive, who are not even opening up my emails, I mean, obviously that's going to be costing money for me to have people who are unresponsive. So I would just clear out the people who are unresponsive. Now, what I wanted to mention is, how do you get people to give you their email? So basically, you just have to focus on something that they're interested in. Whatever niche that you're in, whether you're in health and fitness, making money online, wealth, health, relationships, or even just selling products, your own products, you have to figure out something that they would be interested in. So if you were in the weight loss niche and you were selling a course that shows people a meal plan on how to eat so they can start losing weight, maybe an exercise routine, just think about something that they would be struggling with. So maybe somebody who would be interested in buying your course would be probably having issues losing weight. So you can just give them something of value for free, maybe like a short video that they can watch, or a PDF for like a 7-day meal plan on how to lose weight, or just how to cut out carbs or whatever. And just have them enter in their email in order for them to get access to that. So that's how you would get people to give you their email. Just find something that would be beneficial to them. Because when it comes to, anybody, when they see something online or something for sale, the first thing in their mind is, how can this benefit me? They don't really care about you as the product creator or the seller. All they're concerned about is, how can this help me out? So people who are, like, for example, I'm giving away this 7-minute guide to affiliate marketing. The people who see this PDF, they're not really concerned about, how I'm going to get this PDF to help him out. They're more concerned of, how can I benefit from reading the 7-minute guide to affiliate marketing? And that's basically what you have to consider when getting people to give you their emails and opting into your email list. So I just wanted to create this short video to help you guys out and let you guys know on how you can start getting more leads for your business and how to use email marketing to grow your business. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And also, if you aren't subscribed, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.